Amazon Business Prime American Express Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. Most people think Amazon Business Cards are only for online shopping, but the Amazon Business Prime Amex card in 2025 offers far more than that. You won't believe how much value it can provide for businesses of any size. The card earns 3% back on Amazon.com and Whole Foods purchases, 2% on U.S. restaurants, gas stations, and wireless purchases, and 1% on all other purchases. Rewards are flexible and can be redeemed for statement credits, gift cards, or travel, making it easy to turn everyday spending into tangible savings. Benefits extend beyond rewards. Cardholders get detailed spend tracking, employee cards at no extra cost, and integration with Amazon Business features to simplify procurement and expense management. There's no annual fee for Amazon Prime members, which makes the card highly accessible for businesses already subscribed to Prime. The downside? Rewards outside Amazon and select categories are modest, and interest rates are standard, so it's best for businesses that pay in full each month. Verdict: worth it for business owners who spend heavily on Amazon or Whole Foods and want streamlined expense management. Leave it if your business rarely purchases from Amazon or Prime membership isn't relevant.